Hey guys, we're back with another video today. You probably saw my other video about aquapark.io, and you should just go check that out because the link will be in the description. And yeah, so today we're probably gonna I know we're going to Mira Mesa to do a pickup ice maker for my mom because it makes pebble ice, and it's like really nice from like Costco and stuff. And then we're probably gonna go to dinner and then maybe watch a movie. So yeah. Just do it. Hey guys, I'm just chilling. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. And I'm just super lazy. Yeah. So we're on our way to Mira Mesa to pick up the ice maker that makes pebble ice. Yeah. I love pebble ice. Hey guys, we're here and it's awesome. It's awesome. So the ice maker makes like pebble crunchy ice. It's pretty awesome. Look it's beautiful. Beautiful.
For fast track. Okay.
Hey, what's up? I forgot to do my intro, so this is gonna be my outro, So this is gonna be it. So for my schedule these weeks, I'm gonna be doing 4 videos a week, and that's pretty much it. So bye, Pineapple Gang. Yeah, bye.